Hey everyone, let's unbox and try on my first pair of glasses from Zeelool. They gave me a discount code for my next purchase, and then it comes with a PD ruler for measuring your pupillary distance, I guess that's what it said. And then it also comes with a premium microfiber cloth to clean the glasses. Alright, so let's get into these glasses. So the name of the frames that I purchased is called Rogers, and shout out to Zeelool for this packaging because they protected these glasses from the moment they shipped it out to the moment it got here. They put plastic over the lens, so I guess to prevent it from being scratched or damaged. So thank you Zeelool for that. The frames are rectangular shaped and narrow, and it has stainless steel templates. Stylish, but also it helps to give a comfortable adjustments if needed. And kudos to them because these glasses are it, and they're very stylish and lightweight. Definitely will be buying.